Hello, Namaskara. This is Kavita. Welcome to Amita Fashions. Today we are here with the raffle winner. If you all remember, we recently had an exhibition on September 30th and we had kept a raffle for all the customers who had purchased that day. We also did a live of the raffle winner. But unfortunately, she was not there to come and collect the gift then. But today she is here. She's here to collect her gift. I would like to invite Gayatri
Woohoo!
here to please come and collect her sari.
Well, if you must know, the reason I was not here to collect my sari was because I was the very first customer to come in here when the sale opened.
Yes, she was one of the first customers to come and support us. So, Gayatri, this is your beautiful sari.
Oh, it is lovely.
It also comes with a stitched blouse. I know you need to do some alterations. It can be done.
Oh, it is beautiful.
And also, you and Rupali had come. You were the first customers that day. So
Yay, Rupali! Let's do it again.
So we had like a small gift for first 5 customers. So you got this.
Thank
and
you.
Rupali, this is yours. Please collect it from Gayatri.
Sure, Rupali. You must be busy.
Yeah, if you're busy, you lose it, Rupali. Yeah, you better collect it.
No, it's okay. I will.
And I know that Navratri is around the corner, so please wear it during the puja.
Yes, in fact, the first day is orange, and look, I don't have to go any further. I have my orange sari.
I know, it's such a beautiful sari.
It is.
Let me put it on you and show how it looks.
Yeah. Why don't you keep?
Yeah.
It's a lovely color. It's a red chili.
Yeah.
It's got a beautiful sheen. Very elegant sari.
And this is a pure handloom silk cotton. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, what a lovely sari.
It is a beautiful sari. Looks like I might have to shop for jewelry here.
You can shop for the jewelry also here.
To do justice to the sari.
Oh my God, lovely, lovely. I mean, you look good in any sari.
But this is a beautiful sari. And as you can see behind me, there are saris for all colors, for all 9 days. And beyond, there is lehengas here for the season. Shopping here, just even walking around here is such a pleasure. And the pieces are so elegant and so unique. And I think anyone who shops here will agree. The reason we keep coming back again and again is because the pieces are so beautiful. And they make you look very distinct from what everybody else is wearing. So I am happy to come here and shop whenever my credit card allows it. No, my husband is not watching this.
Okay,
so.
yeah.
But thank you, Kavita, for a beautiful sari.
Thank you, guys.
You guys, shopping pays. If you come in and get enough, one day you might be a lucky winner.
Of course. Who knows?
Right, exactly.
And also, if you don't know, many of you know Gayatri very well. So we do have a puja group here in Buffalo Grove. Since Navratri is around the corner, we do chant Lalita Sahasranamam all 9 days during the Navratri. If you need more details, you can either contact me or contact Gayatri. It is a puja group what we have here, and it is such a divine experience to chant amongst your friends and family in a group.
That is absolutely right.
Yeah.
The vibrations are very awesome. There is a power to prayers in a group. So come celebrate Navratri with us and enjoy company and good food.
Yeah.
And of course, beautiful saris.
See you all soon. Thank you.
Bye.